Hey, what up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to upload videos to Twitch without going live. Let's go to Twitch first. Twitch. Then you're going to go to the top corner and click video producer. And once you click video producer, it's going to take you here. And just click drag and drop files. And then just click any video you want to upload. And it should start uploading. Now this might take a while depending on the internet speed, but once this is done, you're gonna get to edit like the thumbnail, title, description, and here's the URL, and it's pretty much like YouTube, kind of sort of the same, but not really. It's kind of its own thing too. That's how you do it. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitch, follow me at BrianCA. Still haven't decided what to upload, either Dragon Ball Z gameplay or Fortnite. Leave comments down below on what you guys want to see. But I hope this video helped out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.